When I come around, got the whole thing wobbling, wobbling. When I come around, got the whole.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today we have an exciting video for you guys. We are going to be changing the grill on CJ's car, and we're going to show you guys the whole process. The Amazon guy just came right now, and we're about to put on the grill.
No face, no case. Okay. Put that thing all on my face. Okay.
What do you have?
The grill. I'll put this over here. And here are the pieces we need to take it apart.
Yeah. So here's the package it came in, and I'll show you guys the grill that we have on it right now, and we'll show you guys how to install the new one. We got an all black grill. He went over there somewhere. He's gonna pull up over here. Woo! He's excited. He's been waiting for this the whole day. We ran to the car after school. He was like, "My grill." Right,
Did
look.
not sound like that.
Yes, he did. So let me show you guys the grill that we have on it right now. As you can see, we have a silver one. This is the stock that it comes with. We're gonna be showing you guys all the mods that we do to the car. And let's see what he has over here.
Wrapped it up good. Shout out to my boy Haroon with a handy knife. Birthday gift, you know.
Let me see it.
The knife?
Mm-hmm.
It's a navy on it. And it has a seatbelt cutter. Yeah, baby. The tape on the other side?
Nah. Okay, let's see. It gives us the installation stuff, but he already knows how to do it.
Okay.
Ooh. Let me see.
Hold on.
Oh no, it's flying away.
Yes, we need the knife again.
Okay.
That's the last one. So look.
So that's how it's gonna look after.
Yeah, that was raw. Alright, so time to take it off.
Yep. So we're gonna show you guys now how to take off the original grills. So this is what we're gonna be using to take off the little thing. I don't know what this is called. I don't know what was. This thing right here. We're gonna be using this. It's called the Pittsburgh 1/2 inch drive 9-piece star point socket set. So we loosened up the things, and I'm just gonna take them off.
Might need you for the second part.
Okay.
Just these little tiny pins. Okay. Squeezing it.
So just try to squeeze the clips.
Oh, there it goes.
There's one clip.
There we go. Yeah.
Just like that. Let me see.
See?
So when I'm talking about the clips, I'm talking about this right here, not the silver, but this right here, right here.
Yeah. The grill. Making it from the silver. Huh? No, we're making it black. No, we bought them. Yeah. Yeah, sorry. You live and you learn.
So putting it on is actually the easiest part. You just push it in. So place. Make sure all the clips are in. Make sure you hear all of them.
Okay, that look raw.
So here we're doing the other side. Unclipping the clips. Let me get the other one. Make sure you don't lose these.
Yeah, put them in my back pocket. Oh.
I'll just put it right there.
You got it.
Alright. Okay, where's your knife?
In the ground.
So here's what the one looks like. Simply pop it in. And now you're gonna put back the screws that was in these spots, and you're ready to go. Make sure they're tight. Use the same bolt that you used to unscrew this to tighten it back up. And the pin's back on.
That was fast. That was gonna take a long time. Yeah,
There you go. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up down below if you guys learned something. Subscribe down below for more mods to the car.
and hit that bell so you get the post notification so you can see the next time I upgrade the car or do anything. Thursday, probably Friday because we got to edit it and stuff, but Thursday is when I'm doing the straight pipe.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for that. Follow on Instagram, Snapchat, and you'll get like a little preview ahead of time, everybody else. And 13th person to DM me about the grills, they give it free.
Yep, so whoever DMs us, the 13th person who DMs us will get the grill for free. The silver grills, if you guys saw in the video.
No, that ain't much, but you know, it's
Oh, hold on.
better than nothing, right?
If y'all want those,
Shit, I'll even
DM
autograph
us.
the box for you. There you go. There you
wrap
go.
it in some Christmas wrapper.
I ain't doing all that. I send it to you. I autograph the box for you, and then whoop, there it is. Yeah.
Alright, so we'll see you guys in our next video.